Artificial selection, also known as selective breeding, is the process by which humans breed plants and animals for particular genetic characteristics. Thousands of years ago, our ancestors used artificial selection to domesticate plant and animal species for food and labor. Wild grasses and grains were selectively bred to produce greater yields. Cattle, sheep, and horses were bred to be larger, stronger, and more docile. In addition to mutations, evolution, and adaptations, artificial selection is another contribution to variation. In order for artificial selection to occur within a population, two criteria must be met.
First, the population must exhibit variation or differences between organisms of the same species. Secondly, the desired traits must be heritable, meaning that the traits can be passed down from parent to offspring. The process of artificial selection begins when humans choose two parents from a mixed population that have desirable traits to breed together. Next, the offspring with these two desirable traits are bred together. Breeding is continued until multiple offspring exhibit the desired heritable trait.
Most, if not all, breeds of dogs that exist today are due to artificial selection. Dogs share a common ancestor, the gray wolf. Thousands of years ago, wolves were domesticated and bred for more docile traits. Today, there are hundreds of breeds of dogs that are bred for specific jobs, behaviors, appearances, and more. Dog breeder Cosmo is the owner of a purebred poodle named Sally. The desirable trait of poodles include hypoallergenic hair and intelligence. Carl's best friend is Wanda, another dog breeder who is the owner of a purebred Labrador Retriever named Duke. The desirable traits of Labrador Retrievers include friendliness, great energy, and water loving. Carl and Wanda want to breed their dogs to have a litter of Labradoodles. This is an example of an artificial selection because humans, Cosmo and Wanda, are breeding two organisms of the same species with desirable traits to produce offspring that will exhibit all of these desirable traits. The Labradoodles puppies will be hypoallergenic, meaning that they won't shed as much and won't be a problem for owners with allergies.